Okay, we're changing the batteries in our thermostat here for a furnace. Do you have batteries?
These are new ones.
Oh, okay.
But look at this. They got the spring is on both sides, but it says plus and plus. Now that
doesn't make any sense, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't. So I put the one in like that, which you would normally do, and this says put the plus up there where the spring is. So I suppose they know what they're doing.
And see, it pulls out the side. It's got a weird way of going in.
Yeah, it says here press this and then it tilts forward. And when you put it back in, it just sets in there.
Okay.
So change your batteries every year, or if you're going to be gone for a while, make sure you got good batteries in it. And then see if it lights up.
And that's wireless, or is there a wire going to the furnace?
I think there should be a wire going to the furnace. When you press it, it lights up.
So that's up, that's up, that's down. That's the actual temperature in the room. What's these two buttons for?
And if it needs batteries, there's a little light in there that flashes, says
There's a light on the screen that flashes.
yeah, there's a little thing that flashes.
Function buttons. Press to select a function displayed just above each button. Oh, so see that one?
Usually the furnace guy sets it up and for normal settings. That's why I never fool around with the furnace down there.
So whatever functions are in there, you can change them. Fan settings, system, heat, cool, or this system is on heat. There's system settings, you can change it from heat to cool to auto to off. I guess if you also have it set up as your air conditioner, you can just set it to auto, and then it would keep your temperature at whatever you set here. Function button, fan, auto. So we don't have any of that set up, so I don't think those buttons will apply for us. So. Okay, see ya.